Hear the word from Mount Sinai, straight from Jah, me not tell lie. Written by the finger of the Most High, laugh with the heart, not just the eye. Word for your Jah Sinai. Whoa. One, no God but Jah alone, no idol, no throne my own. Two, no carved image my bow, my worship spirit and truth right now. Three, don't take Jah name in vain, it's holy, pure me not bring shame. Four, remember the Sabbath day, rest and praise, give thanks and pray. 10 commandments, me walk in love, guided by the Father from above. Roots and culture, spirit and word, me chant righteousness in every verse heard. 10 commandments, holy code, light the path on Zion road. 5, and a mother and father still, long life come when me do Jah will. 6, not kill me and stay clean, peace and mercy in a me regime. 7, me not commit adultery, me keep my covenant holy. 8, me not steal from man, me work my ground with righteous hand. Jah word sweet like honeycomb, truth gone deep in flesh and bone. Law written in a heart and soul, me walk with love, me play my role. 10 commandments, me walk in love, guided by the Father from above. Roots and culture, spirit and word, me chant righteousness in every verse heard. 10 commandments, holy code, light my path on Zion road. 9, me not bear false witness, my mouth speak truth and witness. 10, me not covet my brethren thing, my content me heart always sing. The love Jah, a sweet melody, keep me clean in our society. Me meditate day and night, 10 commandments keep me right. Roots reggae by the light, Jah light in my soul ignite.